MustangMedic. We're gonna have a good time with people, with cars, and with America. Enjoy. What can you say? Let's go this now. You want to do it? Okay, step right in front of your car. All right. He's talking smack, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Say it again.
475 horsepower.
And it's got what? More than who? What cars?
More than a KR.
Oh, okay, guys. I just saw it. It's a tribute. Now, you know, it's beautiful, but he's saying he's got more horsepower than the KR. So he's talking, another Mustang guy talking smack to a couple KR guys. So it takes a lot of courage, I think. Ain't she pretty? I gotta just buzz around. She's pretty. You guys are saying, show me the interior, show me the interior. Okay.
What does that say?
She's pretty. And I'm sure she's fun to drive. She must be fun to drive, right? Very nice. How long have you had her?
10 years.
10 years?
Yep.
You do the restoration?
A lot of it.
A lot of it? Nice. See, hands-on tribute to Carol Shelby. Very nice. Very nice. Boss 302. Shaker. Bone stock, beautiful. Interior shot.
2069 has 4 headlights. They only made them 2 years. 69 truck. 70 has 2 headlights.
This car should have been standing with that.
Hello, ladies.
Hi, how are you?
Good. A very cool General Motors truck. Look at that. Is that not cool? Look at that thing. That is so cool. Very cool. A little walk by some of the cars that are along the fence line.
They showed me how it changes brakes.
Another Camaro. A lot of Camaros out here today. Let's take a look at the engine. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Money, money, money. Beautiful done. Who's it done?
Oh, so you can take that and place that in your car.
Just trying to give you a sense of the show by doing these long shots. Flathead. Flathead 6.
See, oh look, see them pink inside. See, that's right.
MustangMedic. We're gonna have a good time with cars and with America. Enjoy. What can you say? Let's go.